Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. A loser unboxing. I really like this. Okay. So this is a loser unboxing, and a lot of friends already know what is loser unboxing about. Just in case you do not know, loser unboxing is that I pay money, I lose my money to buy it. So, because the product is good. So, whenever I say loser unboxing for the old friends, you know it's something that is a happy surprise. It's a no surprise surprise. And for new friends, it's just a way of saying it because the product is good. So I am happily spend my money, not like some internet influencer, they get it for free. And a lot of time I feel that a loser unboxing is true happiness because you are so happy that you want to buy it. Okay, so here is this. I like to use Muji. This one nobody pays me. I buy it myself, so it's a loser unboxing. It's I am not paid by it. It's only because it's good, so I like to use it. This is a cleansing oil, and it's relatively it's very oily, but it melts or dissolves with water. So you put on your face, mostly on your face. I buy it because the most important thing, except from you feel your skin moisturized, comfortable, cleaned up, it melts the mascara. I buy it mostly because it melts the mascara. You use soap to clean, but sometimes the mascara does not come out, and you still have something left, which is not good. But this one cleans up completely. You put on close your eyes with one or two drops or a handful of it, and leave it on mascara for a couple of minutes, and then use paper or use use your hand, use a towel to clean it. Then the mascara is melted and coming out, and also it comes very. Your skin feels very enriched, and I like this because it does not have any other flavor or any other fragrance. There is some lemony fragrance. Let me smell it. Yes, a little bit lemony fragrance, and that's it. It's all of this does not have fragrance. I think with all the fragrance, any of the flower fragrance, coconut, shea butter, and rose, apple, apricot, any of the fragrance, I do not want put on my skin, put on my body. I eat it, but I do not like any fragrance. I like something without any fragrance. So this is one of it. The other day I went to a shop. I went to, maybe it's actually a quite famous cleansing and decoration shop in the mall. And I asked if they have any non-fragrance, and they do not have. You go to that shop, it just, you feel suffocated by too much fragrance, and I do not like it. I like something plain, the room, no wallpaper, no decoration, no flower, no nothing, plain room. That's what I like. And any of the cosmetics, no flavor, no fragrance, no taste, no barbecue flavor, no sweet and sour, no teriyaki sauce, no any of this in your cosmetics. I like it purely plain. Anyway, this is a little bit lemony, and it actually very much like the lemon tree from my lemon. So I can take this one, except that, nothing else. Anyway, so this is a loser unboxing. I love it. I really do. Do. Bye bye for